Hi and welcome to Thursday Therapy on a Friday because I had some technical difficulties in spite of Mercury no longer being retrograde. Anyway, today I want to talk about vibrational therapies, especially light. This is Virginia Kelly. I'm a healer, counselor, healthcare provider, and holistic coach. People often ask me, what are vibrational therapies? And basically, is any therapy that uses vibration to affect change and therefore healing. Now, everything in nature has a vibrational signature, anywhere from healthy tissue to a disease, and so it does any treatment that we use to address it. You see, there are frequencies we cannot perceive with our common senses, but there are frequencies that we can see, feel, or hear since our senses are designed to pick up on a specific spectrum of frequency. For example, we cannot hear color, nor see music, unless you're on a mind-altering substance, of course, but that's another story. Anyway, in my sequence of videos, The Point of the Week, which I talk about acupuncture points, I always teach people how to safely treat a point at home, because you do not want to trespass the barrier of the skin with needles if you are not a licensed healthcare professional able to do so, as many points have warnings and contraindications, and there have been many accidents with needles anywhere from pneumothorax to beyond. So back to vibrational healing. Among many techniques, we have sound and light, and I will make a special video where I will talk more in depth about sound therapy. But today I want to talk about light therapy, also called phototherapy due to photons, or heliotherapy pertaining to the sun god Helio from the ancient Greeks. And I want to talk about light waves. With light, we can use LED or safe class 1 lasers. The difference between LED and lasers is in the way that light frequency gets to be transmitted. In the case of LED, the light rays are transmitted in an incoherent pattern, meaning the photons vibrate at different wavelengths, so it has a broader reach and therefore is used to treat areas. Now, all light in nature is transmitted this way, but in the case of lasers, light rays are transmitted in a coherent way, meaning photons vibrate in the same frequency, so the rays point in the same direction, which is what makes lasers a lot more powerful, but also more dangerous. You see, our eyes are not designed to look at light transmitted this way because it does not happen in nature. And that's why in the case of lasers, we would never look at the beam directly and always should use dark glasses for eye protection. Class 1 lasers, though, are deemed safe enough that there are no requirements from the FDA to be used. More potent lasers are only for professional use, and they require you to have a license to implement them for healthcare purposes. Now, with light, as a general note, we have to think of red light as stimulation, and it increases circulation and is warming in nature, while blue light is cooling and therefore anti-inflammatory. Full spectrum white sunlight is used to treat depression or seasonal affective disorder, also known as SAD, and other psychological conditions. Ultraviolet light is used to treat pathogens and skin disorders, as well as jaundice, because violet is the complementary color to yellow in the spectrum. Light therapy is widely used in cosmetics, anywhere from stimulating the production of collagen and elastin to the decrease of age spots and discoloration, or fine lines and acne. So different light frequencies addresses different issues. The same happens with the chakras, and different light frequencies corresponds to different chakras and different psychospiritual and somatic, meaning body, imbalances. For example, if you want to ground someone, you would project red light on the base chakra, and so on with all the other chakras, colors, and imbalances. If you want to know more about light sessions, feel free to reach out at info@virginiakelly.com, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next week for another episode of Thursday Therapy.